Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AddMath. AddMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did some questions of the new topic of AddMath, coordinate geometry of the circle. Nowadays we are doing paper 2 of this topic, and today we are going to do some more questions regarding the intersection of a line and a circle. So after question number 4, see question number 5 on your screen. Find the x coordinates of the points where the line y equals to 2x plus 6 meets the circle x square plus y square plus 10x minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. Put the value of y is equals to 2x plus 6 in the equation of a circle. So x square plus 2x plus 6 square plus 10x minus 2y. 2 multiplied by y is 2x plus 6 plus 1 is equals to 0. So x square plus 2x plus 6 squared. So it is expand by a plus b whole square formula. So a square plus 2 to the 4, 6 the 24, x plus 36 plus 10x minus 2 to the 4x, 2 6 the 12 plus 1 is equals to 0. X square plus 4x square is 5 x square plus 24x plus 10, 34x minus 4, 30x and 36 plus 1 is 37, 37 minus 12 is plus 25 equals to 0. Reduce this equation dividing each term by 5. We will get 5 upon 5 is x square, 30 upon 5 is 5 6 are 30x, and 25 upon 5 is 5, and 0 upon 5 is 0. This equation can easily be solved by using middle term break method. 5 on the 5 and x square plus 5x plus x plus 5 equals to 0. X plus 5 plus 1, x plus 5 equals to 0. X plus 5, x plus 1 equals to 0. This implies that the value of x is minus 5 and minus 1. This is our final answer. No need to put this value of x in a straight line equation because the requirement is only to write the x coordinates of the points. So this is our answer, x equals to minus 5 minus 1. Hope you understand this question. Very easy. Next, question number 6. Very important question. Very important. P21 is a point on the circumference of the circle x square plus y square minus 10x plus 2y plus 13 equals to 0. PQ is the diameter of the circle. Find the equation of the line through PQ. So if I draw a rough circle and say this point is P on the circumference of circle 21, and say this point is the center. You can say C, and this point you can say Q. So a line which passes through the center of the circle is the diameter. So PQ is the diameter, means PQ must passes through the center. So if I find the center of a circle, like this is the equation of general form of circle. Here 2g equals to minus 10 and 2f is equals to 2, g equals to minus 5, f is equals to 1. So coordinates of center are minus g minus f is equals to minus minus plus 5 plus minus minus 1. So coordinates of centers are 5 comma minus 1. Now we have 2 points. One is 2 comma 1 on this line PQ, and the other point is C. So if we have 2 points, then we can easily find the equation of the straight line QP. Find the gradient first. M is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 minus 2 upon 3, and write the equation of the line mx plus c. M is minus 2 upon 3x plus c. Put the value of any coordinate p or c in this equation to get the value of c. I am putting p to 1. P to 1. So 1 is equals to minus 2 upon 3, x is 2 plus c. So 1 is equals to minus 2 to the 4 upon 3 plus c. 1 plus 4 upon 3 is equals to c. 3 1 the 3 plus 4 7 upon 3 is equals to c. Now put this value of 7 upon 3 in this equation. Y is equals to minus 2 upon 3x plus c. C is 7 upon 3. Taking 3 is LCM, minus 2x plus 7, or 3 must be going over there. 3 into y is 3y, and minus 2x must be plus 2x minus 7 is equals to 0. This is the equation of PQ. So very easy method to find the equation, because point P is on the circumference, and QP is the diameter. It means QP must passes through center C. Otherwise we have to solve simultaneously, and then question will be very lengthy. But this question is very easy because we need the equation of the diameter. Move to question number 7. Question number 7 is the line y equals to 1 minus x intersects the circle with the equation x square plus y square plus 6x plus 2y is equals to 27 at the points A and B. Find the length of the chord AB. Very easy. First, put the value of y in the equation of the circle. 1 minus x square plus 6x plus 2, 1 minus x is equals to 27. So x square plus 1 minus 2x plus x square plus 6x plus 2 minus 2x minus 27 is equals to 0. X square is 2x square minus 2x minus 2x minus 4x plus 6x is plus 2x and plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 27 plus 3 is minus 24 is equals to 0. Divide the whole equation by 2. 2 upon 2 is 1. 2 upon 2 is 1. 24 upon 2 is 12 is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation, can easily solve by using middle term break method. So x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 is equals to 0. X plus 4 minus 3 x plus 4 is equals to 0. X plus 4 x minus 3 equals to 0. X is equals to minus 4 and x is equals to plus 3 are the x coordinates. What was our equation? Y is equals to 1 minus x. 1 minus x. So y is equals to 1 minus x. X is minus 4 and y is equals to 1 minus x 3. So y is equals to 1 minus minus plus 1 plus 4 is 5 and y is equals to minus 2. Now write the coordinates. When x is minus 4 then y is 5. When x is 3 y is minus 2. So these are the coordinates. Now what is the question? The question is find the length of chord AB. Very easy. This is obviously assign A and this is B. The distance, length or distance means same. Both are same words. So x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus minus plus y1 square root 4 minus 3 minus 4 minus 3 7 square is 49. 5 plus 2 is 7 square is 49. 49 is 98 and 14 sevens are 98. And 14 can be right 2 into 7 into 7. So length of AB is 7 root 2. The requirement of the question is write the answer in the form of k root 2 and we have write the answer in the form of 7 root 2. So this implies that k must be equals to 7. This is not the requirement. Just write the answer 7 root 2. You will get full marks. But I can show you the working. So student, this is our today's class where we did 3 questions from the topic of intersection of a straight line and a circle. We will do more questions in coming lectures and more topics of this major topic, coordinate geometry of the circle. Our next topic will be related to exercise 2, problems involving tangent to the circle. Very easy questions, no issue. I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.